Imagine stepping into a forgotten era, the late 19th century. Amidst a frenzy of inventors frantically sketching and building, one man sits in silence, eyes closed. But in his mind, a revolution is brewing. This is Nikola Tesla, whose extraordinary mental technique would alter the course of history. What if this method hadn't existed? Today we'll explore Tesla's remarkable ability to visualize complex inventions in his mind, uncovering how he harnessed his imagination to conquer seemingly insurmountable challenges. You'll discover how these same principles can transform your life, allowing you to tap into the power of visualization, just as Tesla did. The mind's eye, Tesla's visualization technique. Visualize a quiet revolution brewing within Nikola Tesla's mind. In a dimly lit room, the inventor sits motionless, his eyes closed, yet his imagination is ablaze with innovation. While his contemporaries toiled over physical prototypes, Tesla pioneered a radically different approach, creating entire machines in his mind with perfect clarity. The foundation of Tesla's mental prowess was laid in childhood. His parents provided unconventional exercises that honed his memory, reasoning, and critical thinking. These early lessons cultivated his legendary photographic memory and vivid imagination, setting the stage for his future breakthroughs. As Tesla matured, he refined his visualization technique into a precise, step-by-step process. Imagine him taking a meditative walk in a park, his mind focused and clear. Suddenly, a moment of cosmic clarity illuminates the gears of his future invention. It was during one such walk in 1882 that the idea for the AC induction motor first materialized in his mind. But Tesla didn't rush to build a prototype. Instead, he held that image in his mind, refining and perfecting it over years before finally patenting it in 1888. In his mental workshop, he visualized the entire apparatus, testing and observing how each component interacted. If he spotted a flaw, he made changes right there in his mind. Tesla described this process. Before I put a sketch on paper, the whole idea is worked out mentally. In my mind, I change the construction, make improvements, and even operate the device. This mental method allowed him to iterate and improve his inventions without touching a physical object. Consider the AC motor, a groundbreaking innovation that would lay the foundation for modern electrical systems. Tesla didn't just visualize the motor, he saw the principle of the rotating magnetic field crucial to its operation. This vision came to him while reciting poetry, as if the rhythmic flow of words unlocked something in his mind, allowing him to see the energy patterns that would revolutionize power generation. Tesla's mental method offered incredible advantages. He could work on his inventions anytime, anywhere, without physical materials. He solved complex problems that might have been impossible to tackle with physical prototypes alone. By visualizing his inventions in perfect detail, he foresaw potential issues and resolved them before they manifested in reality. Perhaps most impressively, Tesla's mental creations were so precise that he could provide exact measurements to workers without drawings. He claimed, "Without ever having drawn a sketch, I can give the measurements of all parts to workmen, and when completed, these parts will fit just as certainly as though I had made accurate drawings." The AC induction motor, born from Tesla's mental experiments, transformed industries. It enabled efficient electricity transmission over long distances, powering factories, homes, and eventually entire cities. This innovation, first conceived in Tesla's mind, became the cornerstone of our modern electrical grid. The universe in his mind, Tesla's cosmic connection. Picture this: Nikola Tesla, a man whose mind was like a finely tuned radio, picking up signals from the cosmic symphony that most of us can't hear. He didn't just see the world, he perceived it as a grand orchestra of energy, each vibration and frequency a note in the universal melody. This cosmic perspective wasn't just a flight of fancy, it was the bedrock of Tesla's most groundbreaking ideas. He saw our planet not as a solid sphere, but as a giant conductor in a universal electrical circuit. When wireless is perfectly applied, Tesla said, the whole Earth will be converted into a huge brain, which, in fact, it is, all things being particles of a real and rhythmic whole. These words hint at a future where our planet's own electrical charge could be harnessed for the benefit of all humanity. But how did Tesla tap into these universal frequencies? Imagine him sitting in perfect stillness, his mind reaching out to touch the edges of the cosmos. In these moments of deep concentration, Tesla would align his thoughts with the natural rhythms of the universe. It was as if he had created a virtual reality simulator inside his mind, long before such technology existed in the physical world. One of Tesla's most ambitious visions was wireless energy transmission. Picture a world where power lines are obsolete, where energy flows freely through the air like radio waves. Tesla claimed, power can be, and at no distant date will be, transmitted without wires, for all commercial uses, such as the lighting of homes and the driving of aeroplanes. This wasn't just about convenience, it was about tapping into the Earth's electrical charge, creating a global power network accessible anywhere, at any time. Tesla's cosmic perspective influenced all his projects. When others saw electricity as a linear flow, he recognized it as a cyclical force, mirroring the natural rhythms he perceived in the universe. This insight led to the development of the alternating current system that powers our world today. His experiments with high-frequency currents went beyond communication. He believed they could heal the human body. Tesla saw humans as electrical systems that could be tuned and adjusted, like any other machine in his mental workshop. Tesla's unique way of perceiving the universe allowed him to conceive ideas that were decades, sometimes centuries, ahead of his time. He didn't just invent new technologies, he glimpsed possible futures, alternate realities waiting to be brought into being by human ingenuity. The double-edged sword, blessings and curses of Tesla's mind. Tesla's mind was a realm where reality and imagination collided, a cosmic playground that birthed both revolutionary inventions and profound isolation. His extraordinary mental abilities were a double-edged sword, carving out paths to the future while cutting him off from the present. Picture this: young Tesla, his mind ablaze with visions so vivid they seemed to materialize before his eyes. When someone uttered a word, the object it represented would appear in his mind with startling clarity. It wasn't just daydreaming, it was a sensory symphony that blurred the lines between thought and reality. But what if your greatest gift became your greatest burden? Tesla's heightened perceptions, while the source of his groundbreaking ideas, also overwhelmed him with a constant barrage of sensory information. It was as if his mind was tuned to every frequency at once, picking up signals from this world and beyond. To cope, Tesla retreated into solitude. He recognized that achieving his lofty goals required sacrifice. The man who wants to achieve must give up many things: society, diversion, even rest, and must find his sole recreation and happiness in work, he once said. But at what cost? His unwavering commitment led him to live primarily in the realm of his conceptions, where mental constructs became as real as any worldly possession or friendship. This intense focus allowed Tesla to conceive and perfect his inventions in exquisite detail, but it also created a chasm between him and the rest of humanity. His genius, which allowed him to see beyond the veil of ordinary reality, alienated him from those who couldn't perceive the world as he did. Tesla's life became a testament to the price of brilliance, a solitary existence where his only true companions were the creations of his mind. Yet this very struggle fueled Tesla's relentless drive for innovation. The constant interplay between his vivid mental creations and the constraints of physical reality pushed him to explore new frontiers of science and technology. His ability to see the unseen, to visualize the invisible forces that shape our world, allowed him to conceive ideas that were decades, sometimes centuries, ahead of his time. One such vision was Tesla's concept of a thought camera, a device capable of capturing mental images and projecting them onto a screen. In a time not distant, he proclaimed, it will be possible to flash any image formed in thought on a screen and render it visible at any place desired. This idea, while still beyond our current capabilities, showcases the visionary nature of Tesla's mind, constantly pushing beyond the boundaries of what was thought possible. Imagine a world where thought shapes reality, where the mind's power molds our existence. This was Nikola Tesla's universe, contained within his extraordinary mind. Tesla's journey mirrors our own untapped potential. Picture yourself at the edge of a vast mental landscape. What wonders might you create by harnessing visualization like Tesla? His method laid the groundwork for wireless communication and the internet. But what if we could push further? Tesla's legacy isn't just inventions, it's the doors he opened to understanding the mind's capabilities. What if we could all see our dreams with such clarity that they become indistinguishable from reality? The possibilities are boundless. What world-changing ideas lie dormant in your mind? By unlocking your inner genius, you could transform thought into reality, just as Tesla did.